Hi everybody, welcome to my video today where I am going to show you some really cool unique things that I've been doing with our henna pumpkins. Happy Tuesday guys. I am excited to do a little boho henna pumpkin for you. So I have this little pumpkin. This is our baby pumpkin. There are 3 sizes. This is the smallest. And I have selected this design from our Henna Pumpkins transfer collection. This is super cute. I isolated this cute pattern right here to create a 3-dimensional effect. I cut it from some wood I have here that coordinates there. And I just did a wash of black paste on here. So it's not fully black. You can kind of see that it's like a black washed look. And of course, this is a whitewashed look. So we can sand that a little bit if we wanted to. We don't have to. We're going to do a black and white pumpkin. I'm super excited about this. So the first thing I want to do, normally I would paint that piece in front of you, but I had pre-painted it for something else and didn't use it, so I'm going to show you there. Okay, so we have our pumpkin. Let me just kind of show you what we're going to do. This is a little bit whitewashy, and you can see the wood, so I am going to sand this just a little bit, and I'm just going to grab my electric sander. It just makes it go pretty quick. There we go. So easy peasy. I'm gonna clean that off really quickly, and then we will get to town. We're gonna paste using our black velvet and our bright white. So very neutral. The first thing I'm gonna do is our bright white. When I line this up with our transfer, I like to have a light box. So I'm going to bring this over here. I'm going to set that on there, and I'm going to fuzz this a little bit on my fuzzing cloth and then line it up. I can actually see through, so that's really awesome. And this is going to get pasted with our bright white. I don't have a lot left in here, so I'm going to give it a stir and just kind of get all the creamy, dreamy goodness away from the sides and onto the center. There we go. And then I'm going to take one of our mini squeegees and pick up some of that white chalk paste. And I am just going to spread it out like this. After I finish with the white, I'm going to need to clean this, because then I'm going to go in with the black and do my whole pumpkin. There we go. This is going to be so cool. So awesome. This woodcut, you can find them at CreativeWoodCutsShop, and that is on Etsy, and it has a wide variety of different woodcuts. I'm going to go ahead and peel this up. I love it. That is so cool. I'm going to slide it off of here and put this away. And then this needs to get dried. So I'll grab my quick dry tool. And I'm going to wash this real quick. I'm just going to spray it with some water. I'm going to let that white dry. It dries pretty quick. And I'm going to get my old, almost completely used up board eraser. And just kind of clean that as much as I can, like that. And then I'm just going to grab a wipe. This is a disinfectant wipe, and they work really great for cleaning your transfer, both the top and the bottom. So I'm going to flip it over. This is the sticky side, and I need to get all of that paste off. Perfect. And then I'm going to dry it. And let me show you how to dry it, because you may not be aware that let me move that our fuzzing cloth has two sides, the fuzzy side and the microfiber side. This is the microfiber side, and you can just kind of make a sandwich or do one side at a time to dry it off. And then I just kind of shake it in the air till it's all sticky again. Once it's sticky, we can do this. I'm going to let this get lined up with my chunky cutout. These are from Chalk Couture, and you can purchase them by clicking on the Shop the Look link that is in the description of this video. Once again, I am at the bottom of the barrel for my white, or my black velvet. So I'm gonna kind of scoop it up and center it so that I can dip in and grab some of that. I guess I could do this too. Sometimes you could just scoop it up and put it on your transfer, just like that. And I'm just going to basically spread the chalk all over. Now it doesn't really matter if I get all the way to the bottom, because I'm adding that cutout. But I do want to get, I got a little extra here. Maybe I can dip in and get this coated. Oh, I just need a teeny tiny bit. There we go. All right, so I don't need to worry about the bottom, because I'm going to attach my other cutout. So I'm going to carefully, oh, guys, look how cool that is. Black and white. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right. So let me get this cleaned up a bit. Such a quick project. I'm telling you what. Chalk Couture is not only easy, it is quick. It's kind of my favorite. I guess those dried a little bit more. So I just like to show you front to back how to do a project, start to finish, cleaning and everything. I'm just kind of cleaning my tools. Look how quickly that comes clean. I'm just, you can use water, like a little pan of water, or take it to the sink like you're doing dishes and clean that up. I am, there we go, all done. So now you can reuse all of those things and put the lids back on here before I get it all done. All right, I'm gonna make sure this is dry, and it is. And I've got a little hot glue gun here. I'm going to put some, there we go. And I'm just going to line it up. Oh, I completely forgot to dry my black chalk paste. I guess I will do that after I set this. Silly me. Ah, but look how cute it is. Don't worry. I'm going to get this all dried. And I have all sorts of these shapes for all 5 of the pumpkins actually. And just, yeah, making sure I didn't have one. Okay, so now we need to do a little bit of tiny, I guess, embellishment up there. Nothing really big. I'm going to find some jute. And I really think that's all we need. I am going to, on the back, put a little dab of hot glue. And I'm going to wind this around. I just want it to stay attached, if you know what I'm talking about. Now this is plain colored jute. You could use black or white, but I'm just going to use plain. And then I'm going to unravel it a bit, give it some dimension so it's not just 2 little twiggy things. And I think I'm going to put a little, let me get that separated. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to grab a little piece of greenery. Yesterday, well, okay, I have this right here close to me, and I think we don't need a lot. I'm just going to take the top tiny piece, because remember, this is a small piece. I'm just going to stick it in underneath this jute like that, and I am going to put, if I lift this, I can just put a tad bit of glue in here, and voila, we are done. I'm going to hold this up so you guys can see everything. Look how cute. And see that dimension? Isn't that awesome? All right, you guys, if you have not joined my free group, you can comment VIP and I will send you the link and you can get all the information. If you have never tried Chalk Couture, but this looks really cool and you want to try it, go ahead and comment sample. All I will do is send you a link and you can grab your own sample. I'll ship it right to your house for you. This is super cute. I hope you enjoyed. BOHO henna pumpkins. Don't drop it, Sarah. Don't drop it. Have a great night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Bye, everybody.